Have you been seeing the number 555 everywhere on your phone, receipts, street signs? Almost like it's following you? You might think it's just a coincidence, but what if it's something more? What if this number is a message, a sign from the universe, trying to tell you something urgent? Numbers hold energy. They have meaning beyond what we see on the surface. And 555, it's not just any number. It's a symbol of massive transformation, of change that's already unfolding around you. But here's the catch. Most people ignore it. They dismiss it as random. And because of that, they miss out on the powerful shift that was meant for them, but not you. You found this video for a reason, or maybe this video found you. In the next few minutes, you'll discover exactly why you keep seeing 555, what it means for your life, and the powerful changes that are about to take place. You'll learn the ancient significance behind this number, why it's often linked to moments of breakthrough, and the hidden truth most people don't know about 555. And here's where it gets even more mysterious. Many great thinkers, spiritual teachers, and even historical figures have encountered repeating numbers right before a life-changing moment. Could this be happening to you right now? By the end of this video, you won't just understand what 555 means. You'll know how to harness its energy and use it to transform your reality. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. The universe is speaking to you, and it's up to you to listen. So don't click away, stay with me till the end, because what you're about to hear might just be the key to unlocking the next phase of your life. Welcome to Limitless Infinity, where we uncover the unseen, decode the signs, and guide you to your highest potential. If you're ready to awaken to the messages all around you, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's dive in. Understanding angel number 555. Numbers aren't just symbols. They carry vibrations, frequencies, and deep meaning. In numerology, the number 5 is known for its energy of change, freedom, and adventure. It represents movement, growth, and the breaking of limitations. And when the number 5 appears in a sequence like 555, it doesn't just whisper change, it shouts it. Seeing 555 is a signal that transformation is already in motion. It's a cosmic nudge, urging you to prepare for a shift. This number carries an amplified force, meaning the changes ahead won't be small or insignificant. They'll be life-altering. You might feel an urge to break free from routine, to explore something new, or to step into a version of yourself you've only imagined. But what kind of changes are we talking about? Let's break it down. Potential areas of change. When 555 shows up, it's a sign that major shifts are happening in different aspects of your life. It's not random. It's precise, guiding you toward the areas that need transformation the most. Personal growth. You might feel a sudden urge to step out of your comfort zone. Maybe there's a new skill calling your name, a challenge you've been avoiding, or an opportunity that scares you but excites you at the same time. 555 encourages you to embrace the unknown and trust that growth happens outside of familiarity. Changes in relationships often accompany 555/D5. This could mean meeting someone new who will have a deep impact on your life. It could also signal a shift in your current connections. Perhaps certain people are drifting away while others are stepping in. The universe is aligning your relationships with your highest good, even if the process feels uncomfortable. Career and purpose. If you've been feeling stuck or uninspired in your career, 555 is a wake-up call. A new opportunity might present itself, or you may feel drawn to a completely different path. This number signals a time to follow your passions, trust your instincts, and take bold steps towards something more fulfilling. Embracing the message. Seeing 555 isn't just about knowing change is coming, it's about actively preparing for it. Resisting change only creates stress and uncertainty, but when you embrace it, you allow life to guide you in the direction you're meant to go. Stay open and adaptable. The universe moves things around for a reason. If plans change unexpectedly, don't panic. Trust that something better is unfolding even if you can't see it yet. Flexibility is key when 555 appears in your life. Maintain a positive mindset. Transition periods can feel overwhelming. But instead of fearing the unknown, shift your focus to the possibilities ahead. What if everything is happening for your highest good? What if this is the exact moment that leads to your breakthrough? Practical steps to align with 555. Reflect on your current situation. What areas of your life feel stagnant? What changes have you been avoiding? Set clear intentions. If you could design your ideal future, what would it look like? Start taking small steps in that direction. Trust the process. Talk to mentors, surround yourself with supportive people, and remind yourself that growth always requires discomfort before expansion. The signs are everywhere. The question is, are you ready to listen? Seeing 555 is not just a random event. It's a powerful message from the universe, urging you to take action toward transformation. It's a sign that change is coming, and it's up to you to embrace it. If you've been seeing 555, take it as confirmation that you're on the right path. Trust that everything is unfolding in divine timing, even if it doesn't make sense right now. Stay open, stay positive, and take bold steps toward the future you desire. Have you been encountering 555 frequently? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your story could inspire someone else on their journey. And if this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the messages the universe sends our way. Welcome to Limitless Infinity, where we unlock the secrets of the universe together.